Are you facing any practical difficulties for time period estimation, handling of different irregularities, vertical earthquake application, ductile detailing, backstay analysis, stiffness modifiers, torsional mode, etc. as per the latest IS codes related to earthquake resistant design? Then you may be interested in our upcoming online course, EQSTR 001, Earthquake Resistant Design, from Theory to Practice. We will cover important clauses of IS 1893, Part 1, 2016, IS 13920, 2016 and IS 16700, 2017, wherein generally, the practicing engineers are facing difficulties. The entire program is designed based on the queries or doubts received from the engineers from the social media. You may also suggest additional points which we may attempt to address during the course. We will discuss how different provisions of the IS codes related to earthquake-resistant design may be considered in the software. The study models in the ETABS software will be specifically made by us to elaborate the problem and to show the outcomes with and without implementation of the IS clauses. Also, we will discuss regarding the possible solutions for the practical difficulties. The entire course is divided in 18 numbers of sessions. Let's see content of each session quickly. Session 1 will talk about model creation in ETABS. Session 2 will include application of static and dynamic loads in the software. Session 3 will cover time period estimation of RC buildings with empirical formula and the software. In Session 4, we will talk about scaled and unscaled response spectrum analysis of the structure. The drift check will be carried out as per IS 1893, Part 1, 2016. Session 5 will cover impact on the structural behavior due to stiffness modifiers as per IS 1893, Part 1, 2016 and IS 16700, 2017. Session 6 will address how vertical earthquake load can be considered in the software. In Session 7, we will demonstrate effect on the structures due to strong column and weak beam theory as per IS 13920, 2016. Session 8 will talk about requirement of minimum column dimension as 20 times dB and distortional shear as per IS 13920, 2016. Session 9 will cover discussion about performance of the structure under torsional mode. Session 10 will talk about minimum shear wall area in plan. Session 11 will cover discussion about minimum stirrup area as per IS 13920, 2016. In Session 12, we will discuss modeling of infills and soft story effects. In Session 13, we will demonstrate analysis using rigid versus flexible diaphragms. In Session 14, we will discuss about effect of basement mass in dynamic analysis of buildings. In Session 15, we will talk about P-delta analysis of RC building. In Session 16, we will cover effect of the irregularities due to mass in the structure. Session 17 will cover backstay effects for RC buildings. In Session 18, we will have open discussion. Course faculty, Bhavin Shah is founder and CEO of SQE Consultants. He is having a dream of enhancing the engineering profession in the different organizations. After having more than 2 decades of industry experience, he is pursuing PhD in structural engineering. His area of interest for research is earthquake-resistant design. Bhushan Rai Singhani is founder and trainer at Seismic Karyashala. He is a young research-based engineering professional with more than a decade of experience. He has a passion to excel in the domain of earthquake-resistant analysis and design of buildings, along with developing a training framework to improve the knowledge base of young practicing engineers. The course will commence on 7th August 2021 and there are 20 plus contact hours. The sessions will be arranged during weekends. For more details, please visit the link which is shown at bottom of the screen. We are offering discount for continuous learner. If you have attended previous courses of SQE consultants, then the discount will be offered. Also, the discount will be offered for group registrations. For more details, please visit the link which is shown at bottom of the screen. Your any doubts or questions are welcome at email address showed on the screen. Looking forward to meet you in the unique online course.